Hey YouTube. My friend left my school. I don't know why Discord is going back. Yes, oof. Oh, okay. Um so pretty much today my friend left the school. I just figured that out. R.I.P. Ocean, if you see this, we miss you. And yeah, not sad. I'm not that sad, but I'm sad. You know the sad when you lose your friends. Okay, so I'm gonna log on to my phone. You guys can't see because I don't have a webcam. Of course, I shut it off. I'm not using my webcam today either. So, oof. Okay. So we're gonna go to the search bar and search up TikTok, which I have. No, it's not who I am. No thanks. So I'm gonna search up his name. Let me just go on my phone. Look for his name on my TikTok, and then you guys can see on my computer.
Boogie bomb, boogie bomb. Spent 10 hours playing Fortnite.
That is sick.
I killed a dude by just got his loot. Open the chest and got a ghost gun. Boogie bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb, boogie bomb.
That is cool. Hashtag boogie bomb, I guess. Go look for his name. Okay, found it. And okay, we'll see if we find this user. Okay, we found him. Here you go for yourselves, guys.
Like what's next? What's that? What's up? I just want chill, drink, smoke, fuck. Like what's next? What's that? What's up? I just want chill, drink, smoke, fuck. Like what's next? What's that? What's up? I just want chill, drink, smoke, fuck. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
So you guys, if you want a shout out, you just need to do a duet with me, then I shout you out already. Okay, you guys? So do that if you want a shout out.
Okay, that was the reactions to Ocean, who left. Oof. Okay, so since Ocean died, and he can still go on his Prodigy, well, I'm not doing a Prodigy game, and yes, I'm doing this for Ocean. I'm not doing the whole vid for Ocean. Oh, hi Moana. My baby sister's here. Okay, so there's this Discord glitch. Hold on. Hi Moana. Hi. Hi. You can hear her, guys. Hi. Hi. Moana. Just gonna try and do this all over again. Moana, you want your tablet? Moana, go to dad. Go to your dad. Go to dad. Are you talking to the mic? No eating it. Okay, now it's connecting. Don't know what's happening to Discord. Moana. Ooh. Moana wanna be in my YouTube. Yeah. Like be in my YouTube. She's looking at my mouse mouse light. Hey, no, don't touch the computer. Don't touch it. No. Yes, as you see, this is boring. Unless I had the face cam, you guys can probably see. Okay, she joined my server. Yeah, that's all. Hey, oi. So this is gonna be a Discord glitch, guys. Or so yeah. Oh, Mona, stop putting your leg on my leg. That is weird. So yeah, imagine if I do this and a screen share. This only works if you're on computer. And you screen share and you do this. It's gonna be Discord glitch. You see that, guys? See, that is a weird glitch. To be honest, that is a weird glitch, dude. There's different glitches you can do. You can do the following one right now. Just stay steady. So this following glitch, you just have to do this and hold, and it'll glitch your screen out in Discord, which you can still see my screen. You know what's the problem? If you want to look at your screen full screen, why is it doing this? And why is everything changing? Exactly. Okay, so that is the Discord. Oh, anyways, that was the Discord glitch. Look, I have a ping from this one. Okay, so in the call right there. Okay, so let's go look at these server pings. I hate them, to be honest. Just gotta do this. Oh no. So in honor to Ocean, we're going to be playing some Roblox for him, since he doesn't even play Roblox. Even though he's not smart, I mean, what am I talking about? Even though he's not like in my school anymore, he probably doesn't watch my videos anymore. Sad face. And he's not my date number 2, my roleplay third. Okay, so yeah. Come on Roblox, what are you doing? Thank you, Roblox. We're going to be playing some Roblox. Okay, stop with the. Ooh. Just kidding. My mouse is so overpowered. Ooh. Just kidding. Configuring? What do you mean by configuring? Huh? Okay, I gotta open up Roblox again. Oh, Roblox. You're not even playing Roblox, see? See, oh no. No, I'm playing Roblox. See, Roblox? What are you doing, Roblox? Okay, I'll stop doing that. Yeah, yes, I am playing on a computer. You can see. Why is it so laggy on computer? Is it just my account? Comment if you like. Comment if you guys lag on Roblox like this. There. What is that? Is anyone in here? Yay! Oh, they changed this man. And now he's wearing that mustache on the thing right there. That was there. That was the whole thing. Right there. Oof. There you go. But there, I love ship locked. I love shift lock. Just kidding. You can do a lot of trick shots with shift lock a lot, like a lot. Because you can spin a lot. Or you can just do right click and then you can just look around. Oh, also, I can still play Fortnite with Ocean, so that's good. So I could always joke around in TikTok chat also. Which is good, because I love joking around with them. Okay, the map is loading. Here's for you, Ocean. How's this map? Never mind. Wow, hello, chance to be murder. I dare you, game. What is that song playing? Oh, Billie Eilish? Whatever her name is. I used to listen to her. Ooh, what is this song? I kinda like it. Oh, is he dead? Oh no, I don't think so. There's for you, Ocean. Okay, there's some music for me. Ocean, we're gonna miss you a lot. Cause we looked at Mrs. Santos' pictures. She allowed us to look at the pictures, and yeah, we saw a lot of your photos. What is that? I can do emotes too, but I didn't buy them. They're just regular. Okay, right there. One more game for Ocean. Might. One more game for Ocean. Oh, just a spawn bubble? What? Okay, I have 8%. At least I'm higher than before. Oh, no Christmas songs. Who's playing that? Oh, shoot. I heard I heard that knife. I heard that knife. You know, I'm a stay as thin as an Oreo. Or any thinnest thing. Actually, it's not that bad, but they can see my sparkle, so I think they should put it this way. Ooh, another coin. There, I think I should put it that way. It's still noticeable. You know what? Is it noticeable now? It is. I don't think it's noticeable now. I mean, it's a little bit noticeable right there. Anyways, thank you to Sheldon. He gave me his lanyard, which is the thing that holds your ID at school. And I got one of these, you can't see, but got one of these cases that are with putty and they smell. So yeah, I got one of those cappuccino smell putty. So yeah. Actually, you should have stayed. I might request someone because look at my inventory, guys. Yes, I know. I don't play this game often. I'm level 44 too. Okay, hurry up, YouTube. No, I'm getting all the coins. I'm getting all the coins. I'm getting all the coins. I'm gonna be rich, man. What do you mean I can't get too much coins? It's all my coins. Okay, so I'm gonna end off the video right here because it's my 15-minute mark. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And bye, guys. Peace. Enjoy your day.